Jamaica Watch
The
This.
latest transfers announced in the force orders come after a major shakeup of the senior leadership at CTOC, which resulted in the reassignment of its head, Dr. Anthony McLaughlin, to the Forensic Service Branch and the transfer of his deputy, Superintendent Victor Barrett, to the Crime and Security Portfolio. Following on that transfer, Superintendent Barrett was then advised that he's to take up a different assignment, this time at Area 4 headquarters. In the latest transfers, which Force insiders say are part of sweeping changes within CTOC, at least 4 members of the gazetted ranks have been affected. They include a deputy superintendent and 2 inspectors. 6 sergeants, 16 corporals, and 23 constables have been transferred to various police divisions island-wide. The transfers are expected to take effect on February 23. Just under a month ago, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake ordered the immediate removal of the Firearm and Narcotics Division, FNID, from the oversight of CTOC amid a widening probe into what is believed to be a multi-billion-dollar cocaine trafficking ring with international links. The changes at FNID followed the seizure by narcotics detectives of nearly 5 pounds of cocaine during an operation conducted on January 23 at CTOC headquarters and formed part of the ongoing investigations into Inspector Martin Walker's arrest. Inspector Walker is assigned to CTOC. Meanwhile, Force insiders have revealed that there could be further arrests as the probe into the multi-billion-dollar drug operation deepens. It's understood that operatives assigned to the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency are also working closely in the probe.